Hello everybody, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at, you got it, the 2014 Jaguar XF. Pretty good looking car we got here today to share with you. So I'm going to walk around it, let you see the outside condition of it, show you the inside, and all that good stuff. And we'll even take it for just a quick spin. This one's black in color, and it has the black, or ebony as they would say, leather interior. You know, it's not too often that we get an opportunity to film a Jaguar, and it's actually a pretty nice looking car, really is. So anyways, let's take a look at her. So what's some of the things that maybe some of us would like about this particular car? Well, one thing that I like about it, I like the grille in the front. It's different. It's kind of, I don't know, it just kind of looks good, you know? I like the grille. I also, believe it or not, I kind of like the logo of the Jaguar emblem right there in the grille. Let's take a closer look at that. Isn't that neat? Yeah, it's a Jaguar. So that looks kind of cool. Headlights look pretty sweet. Also, you got some LEDs that kind of wrap around the bottom and roll up right there. Your projector and then your brights. So the front of the car looks pretty nice, not too bad. Yesterday, we had the opportunity to film a 2014 Maserati Ghibli, and that car actually really kind of reminds me of this car and vice versa. I don't know if it has something to do with the colors, because both of them are black, but even the size of the vehicles, they're both pretty similar in even some of the way the design is of it. But anyways, two totally different cars, of course, a Maserati and a Jaguar. But again, two vehicles that we don't get an opportunity to film all that often. So let's keep moving through, checking them out. The Jaguar XF, or at least this one, has a set of 245/45 series Michelin tires wrapped onto a 18-inch alloy wheel. Got some good sized brakes back there, as you can see. Little air vent here, which doesn't look to be functional, but it does look kind of neat. This one also has tinted windows, sunroof, and this will have a very attractive price on it. Under the hood has the, I'm pretty sure, the V6 on this particular car. They did have, I believe, 3 different engines that you could pick from: a 4-cylinder, the V6, and even a V8. I think they have an XFS, which possibly is like a V8 supercharged, which is incredibly fast. But anyways, you got dual exhaust, backup sensors, backup camera, of course. And just a nice, clean car. This car's in beautiful shape. Of course, all the vehicles that we sell at Southern Motor Company are always in really nice condition. And we do such a great job of detailing them and getting them up to par. But it was a really nice, clean car when we purchased it. So there you go, pretty decent amount of room in the back. You might be watching this video because maybe you have seen a Jaguar at a car lot in your town, or maybe you're looking for one and you found one, right? Also the trunk, when you close it down, at least on this one, it does have that soft touch. So you don't have to slam the trunk, just drop it down and it will close itself. As far as leg room and all that is concerned, there you go. It's not a ton of space in the back, but it is a 4-door car. And it's got rear air vents, power outlet, and it's got a rear armrest that drops down. So there you go. Interior's got a nice look about it. Now, when they were building these cars, Jaguar was also in cahoots with Range Rover, Land Rover. And you'll notice when we get on the inside that some of the way things are designed and look very similar to the Land Rover Range Rovers. And I'll show you one of the main ones here in just a moment. But anyways, let's go ahead and hop in. All right. The main one that really reminds me of a Range Rover is that right there. That's really the main thing that I was talking about. So I'll show you real quickly. Cut the car off. That drops down, and those also close, which is kind of neat. Check that out. Isn't that cool? Crank it back up. It all opens back up. There you go. See? That's really neat, isn't it? That kind of, it gets your attention a little bit. I don't really know what the main purpose is of the vents closing up like that, but it sure does have the cool factor or the wow factor to it. You know, especially for this car to be a 2014 model, right? I mean, we're in 2021, and I don't think I've ever seen any other car that has a feature where the vents close up like that. So that's kind of neat. It is a touchscreen display right there, and I'll tell you, the other thing, let me turn the fans down. That AC is absolutely ice cold. But I will tell you this too. The actual, like, this car actually is held up very nice. I mean, quite nicely. It looks really good. The dash, I mean, the entire interior of the car, it just really is nice. And it's not all worn out or beat up or anything. The leather seats look good. The headliner's in good shape. Everything works as it should. So yeah, it's a really nice car. Truly is. All right, let's take it for just a quick spin. All right, so this one has around 80,000 miles on it. So not too high, right? 80,000 miles, pretty good for a 2014 car. And the price of this car, believe it or not, is probably going to be around that $14,900, $15,000 price range. So yeah, it's a good-looking car. This one, it's clean. It drives really nice. It looks really good. I mean, it's got a nice look about it. You're getting something that not everybody else drives, right? Because again, I mean, go down your street in your neighborhood and see how many people have a Jaguar sitting out in the yard, right? And it's a car you can buy for a very attractive price, you know? So anyways, there you go. Thanks for watching the video with me today. As always, like, comment, subscribe here on YouTube, and let me know, what do you think about the Jaguar XF? Have you had one before? If so, what's your thoughts about it? Share them with us. Thanks again. Have a great day, and I'll see everybody real soon on the next video.